1,300 unique votes were casted. The winner gets $10,000 worth of support and services from MChem to get your design to the next step. The winner is the high performance lacrosse head by Daniel Scott Mitchell and Farbod Moghadam.
KyronMAX Challenge winner, recipient of the $25,000 investment credit with Mitsubishi Chemical Advanced Materials for our engineering support. Any development support, we can help you take this to market. Michael DeLawyer, Edmar Rothbart, Amar Jessa with the Delson Aero drone, super quiet drone blades.